we are in Cartagena, Colombia today, and we are about to do a beautiful tour, hopefully, all over the city. And we're gonna be going to the castle here, La Polpa, which is a very, very famous place here. It's the highest point in Cartagena. And yeah, we're gonna see what they tell us and get to learn a little bit about Cartagena. Dun, dun, dun. So cool, you guys! These stairs are so steep. Today we are on our way to Volcano, and basically it's a place where you get to lather yourself in mud. We're waiting for the bus, and then we're gonna head on over there. So we are about to go right in here. It's this huge volcano, and look at this view. This is supposed to be a lake, but it's all dried up. So it is what it is. But here we go. We're going down. This is the volcano, you guys. So you go up on this side, and then you come down on this side. So cool. So this is how they wash it. This is where they're getting the water since it's all dry. So they just dig a hole and then they clean. this is what it looks like now. How pretty is that? And it's a real emerald from here in Colombia. What? Beautiful. Here in the walled city, and the sunset is absolutely stunning. If you can get here earlier, it would be much better so that you can get some really good seats. But hey, you can see the sunset basically everywhere, and it is absolutely beautiful. On the itinerary is a chiva rumbera, and it is a big bus with no doors, live music, lots of dancing and singing throughout the whole city. So we are super excited for this next one. It's gonna be awesome. Here is the chiva. So as you can see, it has no doors. It's very colorful with typical paints and live music.
Arriba.
Arriba.
Abajo.
Abajo.
Al centro.
Al centro.
Y para adentro, Roro.
Para adentro. Cheers.
Salud para todos ustedes.
We are ready to go to the island.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground.
We have arrived at the island, and now we are gonna go on an eco-friendly walk through this small island and see how people live here.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's grow feathers and see this too.